Okay children, today we are starting with new lesson, that is lesson number 4 of your grammar book, capital letter and punctuation. Now let's understand about it children. You know that proper nouns start with a capital letter. In the previous lesson, that was lesson number 3, I taught you about the proper nouns and the common nouns, and I hope you understood that proper nouns always start with a capital letter. They are the special names of the persons, towns, cities, etc. and they begin with a capital letter which is followed by small letters. Read some examples down below. You can see the pictures here. They are the pictures or the monuments. They are all the special names or hence they are proper nouns. For example, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sania Mirza, Kathmandu, Nainital, France, Lotus Temple, Doll Museum, India. So you must have realized children that all these examples which are given down below, they are all proper nouns and hence you can observe that they all are starting with the capital letters. Statements end with a full stop. Now let's understand what do you mean by a statement. Statement is a sentence children and it always starts with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. But when we ask a question, then the sentence or a statement ends with a question mark. For example, read these sentences. Now here you can see a boy and a girl, they are interacting. Boy is asking, where are you going? So it's a question. So you can see it is starting with a capital letter and it is ending with a question mark since it's a question. And the girl is answering him, I am going to market. Now girl is just giving a simple statement. So you can see it is starting with the capital letter and it is ending with a full stop. Again the boy is asking, who was the first Prime Minister of India? Now since it's a question, so again it is ending with a question mark and you can notice down that it's the sentence is starting with a capital letter and the word Prime Minister and India, they all are proper nouns, so they all are starting with capital letters. Now the girl is answering him back, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. So it's a statement, it's a sentence which is starting with a capital letter and it is ending with a full stop. But you can notice children that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, it's a proper noun, it's a special name, so it is starting with the capital letter. And similarly, India, that is our country, it is also starting with the capital letter. So again, point to remember is that proper nouns or special names, they always start with the capital letters. Read some more sentences. Here the boy is asking, what is your name? So again, it's a question mark. It is starting with a capital letter and it is ending with a question mark. And the girl answering him, my name is Pinky. So you can see the girl is putting a statement. So it is starting with a capital letter and it is ending with a full stop. And since here the name is mentioned, her name is Pinky. So you can see capital P is used here. Next question is, where is my book? So boy is asking a question. So you can see again a question mark is there and the sentence is started with the capital letter and the girl is answering him back, it is in your bag. It's a normal statement which is starting with a capital letter and it is ending with a full stop. Now you can notice children the word bag, it is a common noun, so we have not put a capital letter. It is all written with small letter because it's a journal word. It is not a special word, it is not a special name. Move on to the next question is, where do you study? Here the boy is again asking a question to a girl, where do you study? So you can see it is again ending on to a question mark starting with a capital letter and the girl is answering him back, I study in DPS Noida. So you can see I, which is in capital letters, and the statement is ending with a full stop. Point to be noted here is, children, that DPS Noida, it is a special name for a school. So DPS is capital and N is capital here for Noida. Let's practice some sentences. Punctuate the given sentences using capital letters, full stop or question marks wherever required. So let's read the first sentence. Karthik can swim. Now you can see Karthik is a proper noun. It is a name for a person, a special name. So here we have made capital K for Karthik. We have used capital K for Karthik. And since it's a statement, so we have ended up with a full stop. Next, moving on to the next sentence, children. What is your mother's name? So you can see it's a question. Somebody is asking a question. So whenever we are asking a question, first of all, we have to remember to put a question mark in the end of the sentence, and we have to start it with the capital letter. So we have made W a capital one, and we have end the sentence with a question mark. So why punctuation marks are important, children? Punctuation is very important in writing. Missing or incorrect punctuation marks can make your writing confusing for the reader. So children, that is the reason whenever we are framing sentences in your English language, whether it is your chapters or your grammar work, I have been instructing all of you to start your sentences with capital letter, to end them with a full stop if it's a statement, or to end it up with a question mark if it's a question. So you have to make it a habit, children, to use the punctuation marks in your writing skill. I hope you have understood the topic, children, and I will be giving you more sentences further later on for the practice. Have a good day and keep safe. Thank you, children.